Alex Higgins shot in 1982 World Snooker Championship semi-finals against Jimmy White exhibition shot. So here I have a pretty same situation as in the World Snooker Championship as Alex Higgins played. So he had no way how to get position for the red, so he could play safe, but he decided to be attacking, and he played one of the best ever shots under pressure in such a stage World Snooker Championships. So he played a lot of left hand side, deep screw back, so the cue ball bounced from the cushion, bounced back to this cushion, and made position for the long red. I won't discuss about other reds, but I will discuss about this one of the best shots ever made under pressure in World Snooker history. So the cue ball was standing pretty much straight. So he played lots of left hand side, and I will try to replicate that because it's not easy, but I will try my best. So I won't do it as he does, that he moves with his body to the left, because it's not good technically. So don't try to copy him, please, because it's no good. So I'm just gonna try to play as smooth as possible. Lots of left hand side. And just before, lots of cue power as well. And he played it such a way, but I used not enough power, so this is a good effort. So I will try to use more power this time. Not enough backspin. Side was okay, but my backspin wasn't good. So this time I will try to replicate it more. More backspin. Oh yeah! I'm getting better every single time. The balls were a little bit in another place. Here, I'm trying my best. Folks, this is very difficult shot. I don't know how to do it. The club should be a little bit faster to do this properly. I'm getting better and better every single time. Okay, enough. I potted 3 balls in a row. Don't think about this red ball position. I just want to show the idea that you need to use lots of left hand side, play on the extremely fast club, because if you will play on the slow club, it's almost impossible to make it. So that's it. Thank you guys, see you next time. This is me, Vilius Šulte, EBRTBC snooker coach. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you till next time.
Snooker Basics video course is a snooker training material to help you transform your snooker game and take to another level. Improve aiming, overall technique, cue ball control, rest play, snooker escapes, and make proper snookers. Interested? If yes, so don't wait and order a Snooker Basics video course today.